Hi, it's James from Square Internet here with another WordPress tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set the social media featured image for your website, and by that I mean the image that shows when you share your website on social media. I've sorted this out for a couple of clients recently and I figured it's something that other people could be trying to figure out, so I'm recording this video just to show you how to do that. And first thing you need to do is make sure you have Yoast SEO plugin installed on your website. It's a very popular SEO plugin. It's the most popular SEO plugin, I think, so you may well already have it installed. And if you have it installed, you can open up a page or a post. Most people are doing this on their home page, as that's the most commonly shared page on the website. But you can open up a page or a post and then click on the social tab here in Yoast. And you'll see you have the option to set the image that displays on Facebook and the option to display an image for Twitter. And then to make sure that you have all bases covered, I would also come down to the featured image. This is in the WordPress Classic editor. Come down to featured image and set an image for your featured image, which does the same thing. And it might not show up immediately. You probably need to clear the cache on your website and maybe your server, give it a couple of hours, and then perhaps try in an incognito window. But if you follow these steps, then when you go to share your website on the social media platforms, you should then see the image that you've set here for Facebook, for Twitter, or featured image across other social media platforms. And I think Yoast Premium actually has a feature where you can preview. So you might not need to wait on clearing your cache and stuff like that. So if you want to preview what it will look like if people share this post on Facebook. So if you upgrade to the Yoast Premium plugin, which has a lot of good features and is well worth doing if you're serious about your website, you can preview as you go. So you can set an image, you can set a specific title and description as well to go along with the image for Facebook and Twitter. And then if you have the premium plugin, you can preview it instead of having to wait for the cache to clear and then manually go to share your website. So there you have it, really simple and straightforward steps. I hope they help you set the image for your the featured image for your social media platforms. It seems to be a problem that a few people are trying to figure out. So yeah, I thought I'd record a quick video for you. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe. There's going to be a lot more free, regular YouTube content coming out on how to solve common WordPress problems. And if you want some more free WordPress content, we have a free course now, WP the Easy Way. It's a complete system for building WordPress websites without a theme, lots of plugins, or a developer. There's no catch. There's tons of free content in there. It's a video course with a load of free content. You can just go to the website, click Get Access, and then have access to the course. And there's a lot of exclusive content in there that I haven't put on YouTube. And as it says, complete system for building WordPress websites without having to rely on a developer, a expensive theme, or loads of plugins. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out that free WordPress course. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video.